Speaking on the occasion, Kronding Nongbsap spoke to the issue that the Benami Act is not functional in the state, stating the fact that in Yodo there are plenty of Benami cases where no one could even raise their voice against it. He further went on to say that any CEM who went to intervene the issue and plight faced by the farmers in Yodo would not stay in office for long. Speaking for farmers' scheme which was supposed to go for the farmers does not reach to the deserving ones, but instead it would be dispensed to the so-called societies, where only the rich are part and parcel of the societies. He also said that the call at the moment is to see into the ILP matter and the MCCL employees' plight, where people should understand and raise the concern to voice out for the said issues. He condemned the foxy attitude of the representatives of different constituencies who would never understand the hardships faced by the common people. Taking for example, he said, the government should have strengthened the cement plants that are already there in the state instead of bringing projects from outside. Withholding the salaries for months and months would only mean to force the employees into unpleasant darkness, since no shopkeepers is willing to give credits, no school is willing to reduce or relax the school fees. How, then, the government is so blind to not release the salary of these people? Motivating the newly appointed members of the HPF, he urges the member to be selfless in their service to the society, to be whistleblower when none dare to do so.
Ka benemi a ka jingdon balasna ka sarkar kam trekam AAUM lek apo yo molong kidukan menor yo song apo dukan ke babian dei dei ubri wana ba to hato kata kam dei ka benemi a hato kata kam dei ka kam dalong be an kam dalong presya ya kariti sencat stu ke jongi ka distrik konsel kale ayu uno CM ubalek apo yodo ban pet ya ka jing jong dok usuk uklem dei perkat hadok kata ka jing ka bangi ngiya kendo lara syuat kilo nong rap amdan bayu i mano em yak isnyang jong kinong rap amdan bayu i mano em mi menta bitep ar spa kror tam mi nam ta ka skim ai snyang mo ban ka to ka skim snyang hanrai bitep ka ka bangi sngolingo Om siya na aish kinorep hadai aish ki society. Hapo omroy bat hapo ka rimhoy ki jong ni ka society ki dai ki society jong ki rius pa sudah. Om dan society ki beri ki bedok. Hang ni po maulai na trai pi pra khot mo ki bedan haman na ki jaka ki jong pi ki area ki jong pi to yet kan tuli kin don society po snam jong pi ka area ki jong pi. Lara pi dan society ha e pin sinai ta sense nyang ki jong pi. Kadon ke ka ba ngismusi kum kinong yalam. Pi Hapangi keren, nang tak kecing pakai jai beriau kam dia tak ILP, kipu pun dah. Dan kata kadau, hapangi ni kum kena ngelang teng hapangi yang kedua lang mo ngijau mat. Namar balik ngijau mat, hapangi pet. Ya ki cuai nuksan nang ni na baro na pi ki dikot. Lada pibit pibiang na ye pi kwa arte bandrung sen balang. Kata ada ke bak khmat Kindiak tak kumpul lai 4% ki beri ki babet labiang be kwa sya ban trei nang tak ri pakai jai beriau. Kani ken kadai kata ka isu dan kata ka mat ke bangihapan tersangi ba kinong yalam ki political party ki jongi ki khwan to simet sudah lada don jingyo ki kloy ladam don jingyo pat dalile UM